taking a photo, only to find strange lines ruining the shot. That's exactly what's frustrating Samsung Galaxy S25 users right now. Many have reported an issue where their photos show unwanted horizontal or vertical lines, especially in low light settings. This problem, known as banding, makes images look unnatural and has become a major complaint on Reddit and Samsung forums. Even the high-end Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its impressive 200-megapixel camera, isn't safe from this issue. Users have noticed that when they capture images in night mode, the photos sometimes develop light or dark streaks. Some describe them as thick, discolored lines appearing under strong lighting or high contrast. Interestingly, these lines don't show up when using expert RAW mode or third-party camera apps, which suggests that the problem is tied to Samsung's image processing rather than a hardware defect. One of the first reports of this issue came from a Galaxy S25 user who shared their experience online. They noticed that in certain photos, a thick line with a different color appeared quite often. This raised concerns about whether the issue was caused by software or hardware. Many other users confirmed experiencing the same glitch and became clear that this wasn't an isolated problem. Tech reviewers have tested different ways to reduce the banding, and one solution seems to work for some users. Setting the shutter speed to 30 seconds in Pro mode has been effective in removing the white bands. Another user suggested reducing the intensity of post-processing by setting it to medium, but this fix doesn't work for everyone. The good news is that Samsung has acknowledged the problem and is working on a fix. A company spokesperson confirmed that an update is rolling out this week to address various camera issues, including image stabilization and post-processing adjustments. However, it's still unclear whether this update will completely eliminate the banding problem or if further improvements will be needed. It's common for newly released smartphones to have software bugs, and most of them get fixed through updates over time. The Galaxy S25's banding issue doesn't seem to affect every unit, but it's frustrating for those who have encountered it. What's reassuring is that Samsung has acted quickly to resolve the matter, rather than leaving users in the dark. Interestingly, some Galaxy S25 users have also reported overheating issues, although there's no confirmation yet on whether the latest update will fix this problem as well. The device has only been out for a week, and two major issues have already surfaced. While Samsung has been quick to address the camera glitch, users are still waiting to see if overheating is also on their radar. Despite these early setbacks, Samsung's quick response shows that they are committed to improving the user experience. Software updates are an essential part of modern smartphones, and manufacturers often fine-tune features based on real-world usage. The big question is, should Samsung have caught this issue before launch? Some users feel that a flagship device should not have such noticeable bugs at release, while others understand that no phone is perfect on day one. What's your take? Should Samsung have done better testing, or is this just part of the usual early release experience? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Have you ever wondered how thin a smartphone can really be without compromising its performance? Well, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge might just have the answer, but there's a twist. The Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be a sleek competitor to Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Air. Both devices are set to impress with their thinness, but just how thin can they get while maintaining all the features we come to expect from high-end smartphones? Apple's iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge could be even slimmer at 6.4 millimeters. Some reports suggest it could go even thinner, as low as 5.8 millimeters. And it's not just about how thin these phones are. Think about this. OnePlus is gearing up to launch the Open 2, which is expected to be only 4 millimeters thick when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone that thin. But let's get back to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has generated a lot of buzz for its performance in early benchmarks. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench under the model number SMS937U. For those who might not know, Geekbench is a popular benchmarking tool used to measure a phone's performance. It tests things like the processor's capabilities, graphics, and overall speed, with higher scores generally meaning smoother performance, faster multitasking, and better gaming experiences. The first results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were a bit of a mixed bag. In the single-core test, the phone scored 3,005 points, and in the multi-core test, it achieved 6,945 points. But new results have come in, and they show a different story. The latest benchmark tests show the Galaxy S25 Edge scoring 2,806 in single-core performance and 8,416 in multi-core performance. So, while it performs slightly worse in single-core tasks, it performs significantly better in multi-core tests, which is great news for multitaskers and gamers. However, it's important to note that the device is still not official, and these are early test results, so we should take them with a grain of salt. Aside from its performance, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to come packed with impressive features. The phone will likely sport a 200 megapixel main camera, making it an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts. For selfies, it's expected to feature a 12 megapixel front camera. The display will offer an LTPO panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an eye-watering 2,600 nits of peak brightness. If that doesn't sound bright enough, I don't know what does. For durability, the Galaxy S25 Edge will feature an Armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so you can expect it to withstand some accidental drops and scratches. Under the hood, the device will be powered by 12 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, making it fast and capable of handling large files and apps. It will also support Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring fast data transfer and seamless connectivity. When it comes to charging, you can expect 25-watt charging speeds. Is Apple's budget-friendly iPhone SE4 finally getting a major upgrade? New leaked images suggest that some of the biggest changes yet could be coming to the SE lineup. If you've been waiting for a more modern and powerful iPhone at an affordable price, this might be the one to watch. The latest leak comes from a well-known source, and it shows the iPhone SE4 in a sleek matte black finish. Unlike previous leaks, this time the display is actually turned on. While it doesn't reveal any major new features, it does seem to confirm several rumors that have been circulating for months. One of the biggest upgrades is the display. Reports suggest that the iPhone SE4 will come with a 6.1-inch 60Hz OLED screen. This would be a major shift from previous SE models, which use older LCD technology. An OLED screen means better colors, deeper blacks, and improved contrast, making the viewing experience much better than before. In terms of design, the SE4 appears to be moving closer to Apple's modern iPhone lineup. We've already seen renders, dummy models, and case designs suggesting two color options, black and white. This latest leak appears to confirm the black version with a smooth matte texture. It looks clean, stylish, and premium, something SE models haven't always been known for. Another major design change is the removal of the home button. Instead of keeping the classic Touch ID design, Apple seems to be switching to a notch at the top of the screen. This likely means that Face ID will replace Touch ID, bringing the SE series in line with Apple's flagship models. For those who prefer fingerprint unlocking, this might be disappointing, but Face ID has proven to be fast and secure over the years. Now let's talk about the camera. Unlike Apple's high-end models that feature multiple lenses, the iPhone SE4 will reportedly stick to a single rear camera. However, don't let that fool you. If rumors are true, this camera could feature a 48 megapixel sensor, a massive improvement over the 12 megapixel camera found in the previous SE model. A higher resolution sensor means sharper images, more detail, and better low-light performance. One feature that the iPhone SE4 will likely not get is the camera control button, which is expected to debut on the iPhone 16 series. However, it does seem like Apple is bringing the action button to this budget model. First introduced on the iPhone 15, the action button lets users customize a shortcut to their most used feature, whether it's launching the camera, turning on the flashlight, or activating silent mode. It's a small but useful upgrade that makes the phone more functional. While these leaks give us a better look at the iPhone SE4, there are still a lot of unanswered questions. Will it feature Apple's latest chip for improved performance? Will it have a bigger battery for longer usage? And most importantly, how much will it cost? If Apple sticks to its usual pricing strategy, SE4 could be one of the best value iPhones in years. So is the iPhone SE4 shaping up to be a worthy upgrade? With a larger OLED screen, Face ID, a powerful camera, and the action button, it looks like Apple is making big changes while keeping costs down. But is it enough to convince buyers to upgrade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech news. We'll keep you updated as more details emerge.